Performance, precision, and control. Every Jaguar vehicle is engineered for an exceptional driving experience, but none of this matters without one critical component: your tires. At Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service, we know tires play a major role in your safety, performance, and comfort. So how do you know when it's time to replace them? Let's take a look. First, check your tread depth. Optimal tread depth ensures your vehicle grips in wet or unpredictable conditions. To check your tread depth quick at home, use the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, your tires are worn, and it's time for a replacement. Uneven tire wear is another red flag. It could indicate alignment or suspension issues, which can affect the smooth, refined ride Jaguar drivers expect. Inspect your sidewalls for cracks, bulges, or cuts, as they can compromise the integrity of your tire. If your ride feels rough or you notice vibrations at high speeds, your tires may be worn or unbalanced, impacting the way your Jaguar performs on the road. Even if the tires look fine, age matters. Typically over 5 to 6 years, your tire's rubber will start to deteriorate, meaning less performance and safety on the road. Driving a Jaguar means experiencing excellence on the road, and your tires are no exception. Worn tires can increase your stopping distance, reduce handling, and compromise your safety. At Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service, our factory-trained technicians ensure the right tire has been picked for your vehicle for peak performance and safety. If you're noticing any of these warning signs, then it's time to schedule a tire inspection. Trust your Jaguar with the experts by scheduling an appointment with Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service.